35 million light-years away, a cosmic tug-of-war is playing out on an unimaginable scale. The Hubble Space Telescope has captured something remarkable: a galaxy being slowly torn apart by the gravitational pull of its neighbors, and in the process giving birth to countless new stars. This is Messier 96, and its story reveals how violence and creation dance together in the universe. Located in the constellation Leo, Messier 96 stands out immediately for what's wrong with it. Unlike the perfectly balanced spiral galaxies we often see in textbooks, this galaxy appears lopsided, twisted, and somehow broken. Most spiral galaxies maintain elegant symmetry. Their arms sweep outward in graceful curves. Their cores sit perfectly centered. But Messier 96 tells a different story. Its spiral arms are uneven, its galactic core has been knocked off center, and its gas and dust are distributed in chaotic patterns. The culprit behind this cosmic distortion is gravity itself. As the brightest galaxy in its group, Messier 96 should dominate its neighborhood. Instead, the combined gravitational pull of its galactic neighbors has been stretching and warping it over millions of years. Galaxies aren't isolated islands floating in space. They exist in groups and clusters, constantly influencing each other through gravity. When galaxies pass close to one another, their gravitational fields interact like invisible hands, pulling and stretching stellar material across vast distances. Imagine trying to maintain your balance while invisible forces pull at you from different directions. That's essentially what's happening to Messier 96. The gravitational influence of nearby galaxies has created tidal forces that redistribute stars, gas, and dust throughout the galaxy. The result is what astronomers call a peculiar galaxy, one whose structure has been significantly altered by external forces. These cosmic interactions are more common than you might think, and they play a crucial role in galactic evolution. But destruction and creation are often two sides of the same cosmic coin. While gravity tears at Messier 96's structure, it's also triggering something beautiful: the birth of new stars. Those brilliant pink bubbles you see scattered throughout the galaxy aren't just pretty decorations, they're stellar nurseries, regions where hot, massive young stars have recently ignited. The same gravitational forces distorting the galaxy are also compressing gas clouds, triggering waves of star formation. When massive stars are born, they begin reshaping their environment immediately. Their intense radiation ionizes the surrounding hydrogen gas, causing it to glow with that characteristic pink color. These stars are stellar teenagers, hot, energetic, and dramatically influencing everything around them. This new Hubble image combines ultraviolet and optical observations to reveal details invisible to previous surveys. The ultraviolet light shows us the hottest, youngest stars, while optical wavelengths reveal the intricate structure of gas and dust. Each new dataset doesn't just make prettier pictures. It answers fundamental questions about how stars form, how dust affects starlight, and how young stars influence their surroundings. By combining multiple observations over time, astronomers can track changes and understand processes that unfold over cosmic timescales. The latest observations will help scientists study the relationship between galactic structure and star formation. How do gravitational distortions trigger stellar birth? How do massive young stars carve out bubbles in the interstellar medium? These questions are crucial for understanding how galaxies evolve. Messier 96's story is playing out throughout the universe. Galaxy interactions drive evolution on cosmic scales, triggering star formation, redistributing matter, and eventually leading to galactic mergers that create even larger structures. Our Milky Way galaxy is heading toward a similar fate. In about 4.5 billion years, it will merge with the nearby Andromeda galaxy, creating gravitational chaos that will trigger massive bursts of star formation, while fundamentally reshaping both galaxies. By studying galaxies like Messier 96, we're looking into our cosmic future, understanding the forces that shape galactic evolution across billions of years. In the cosmic dance between destruction and creation, Messier 96 reminds us that even violence can be beautiful. As gravitational forces tear at its structure, they birth new generations of stars simultaneously, ensuring this galaxy's story will continue for billions of years. From 35 million light-years away, Hubble continues to reveal the dynamic, ever-changing nature of our universe. one galaxy at a time.